Hello, welcome back. Let's talk about integrations, which are a way to connect your whole stack of services, Slack, Gmail, and other apps that you use daily, to synchronize bidirectionally your data. This way, the data flows in routine, you can update it in routine, but more importantly, you can visualize it the way you want, and you can build workflows on top of it. So the way it works is that you go to Settings, you pick the organizations in which you want to connect an integration. So in this case, I'm going to take my team setting, team organization. Then you go to integration and you pick the integration that you want to connect. Then you give it a name. So the name is for the connection, so the credentials, the connection of your account. So let's say Slack community. You connect it. You then allow. Once connected, then it's all about data sources. So you must really understand the differences. The account, again, is the connection to your Slack account in this example. The data source is picking an entity that lives in Slack. It could be users, it could be messages, it could be channels, it could be groups, and signifying that this is the entity that you want to synchronize with routine. So let's go ahead and create a data source. This is the account. We're going to pick the data connection, which is the entity we are interested in synchronizing. So as you can see, channels, messages, users. Let's say messages. Then we're going to pick a channel. Let's say bug reports. Then we're going to say I am interested in reactions or saved. Saved are the saved for later, which Slack supports. Reactions are the emojis on messages. So let's say reaction. Then we're going to use the code for the emoji, because that's how Slack represents those. So inbox tray. You can find those in Slack by using the colon, and it shows the code for the emoji. Just don't put the colon on the sides, just without the columns. Then you pick the routine workspace in which you want to create the database, and then you give it a name. So let's say bug reports. Confirm, then it's creating the database and synchronizing everything, and that's it. Now, again, the two things important to understand is that the account, the connection to the account lives in the organization level, but the database lives in a workspace, as you can see in Success, which you can also see if you go to Types and you go to Success, which is here, and you can see now we've got a new bug report with 10 objects and 23 properties. So what does that mean? It means that if you go back to the Slack integration, you can navigate to the database quickly from here. And if you do, you will see all the entries of the bug reports. Now you can make that a bit more digestible, maybe hiding all of those and picking maybe text, which is the message, and user, which is the user ID. And that's it. You've got something a bit more digestible again. Now, if you want to go more into details and see all the attributes of those messages so that you can connect them, leverage them through AI, etc., you can open and you will see that you have all the information about the message itself, including a sub information like this. So it's really, really complete, which is again great for AI or yourself if you want to leverage all of those different details. But you always have the ability to really just keep it simple with a view. That's it. Thank you.